Another desktop fan that I purchased through AliExpress online shopping app. Come and watch this as I unbox this device. So this is the packaging and delivered from China to my place. What I like in AliExpress is that they give very generous prices, though Temu makes also, but I usually ordered in AliExpress app. So this is the box of this cool desktop fan. They have two variants to choose. The charging version, which means it is powered by battery, and the other one is a direct insertion version, means it is connected directly to the power supply. As you can see, it is advised to fully charge first before using. And these are the features of this cool desktop fan. Inside of it, this Type-C charging cable. I guess this cable is now the standard for most devices. Well, for me, it is great because any position or even low light you can plug in easily. And the device. But before that, there is also a manual written in different languages, but the manual written named as Illusionary Moon Fan. Well, even without the manual, it's okay, the function are very easy. And of course the device. Well, it is really a moon fan shape inspired. Just to remind that this is not for heavy duty, having this for 24 hours of usage for me, it is not advisable. At the back is the power button and serves as a light button. By doing short press, you're turning on the fan, and do long press, you're turning on the light effects. So the power voltage is written at the back cover, and it says 5 volts and 1 ampere should be the input voltage, but I'm using 5 volts and 2 ampere travel adapter. I guess it is okay. Do short press for the first gear. It is a low speed, but using that gear is enough already. Then press again for the moderate speed. Then press again for the last gear. Well, the higher speed and with the lights on, the fastest the battery will consume. So in the picture you will notice the lights effects will fully occupy the crescent-shaped, but in my device on the last tip of both ends, the lights didn't reach that point. It is not accurate as in the picture. Having the light effects, which did not fully covered the crescent-shaped well. It's a bit of a problem to me. And here's the light choices. Do long press, you will have the slow flow of RGB light effects. Then long press again, the flow of light effects is a bit faster. Then do long press again for auto-changing color. And by the way, you can position the fan till this angle. Do not turn backwards or full downward as it breaks your fan. So how we can clean the fan? So there are 3 locks, and you need a tool to push that. But be careful, the locks for me is a bit fragile. If you break those locks, you need to find solution to hold that cover. And there I have it. The fan blade is very easy to remove. If you notice a black piece around the fan blade that's a magnet, be careful not to loose that. The friction between the motor and the fan makes it rotate. And make it sure if you're washing it is very dry before connecting and using. As I said, and if you notice, the red and black wire was connected, not really secured, so rotating in any angle is not good as the wiring seems so fragile. So to check how much the battery capacity has, I'm using this tester, and let's check the results. The travel adapter I'm using has the input capacity of 5 volts and 2 ampere. And check it guys, when I plug into my device, it changes to 5 volts to 1 ampere. And by the way, when charging, the light indicator is color red. Well, for me, the fan is okay for desktop usage. Lightning effects add touch to the fan, which it is cool. The speed gear was satisfying. And the battery, it takes 2 hours and 30 minutes usage in my test. And that's not bad at all. Considering the price as well, it is worth it. So when it is full, the light indicator turned into green. And my battery reading test was 1,113 milliampere hour. In the manual, it is written 1,200 milliampere hours. Isn't it great? So that's all. Well, if my reading is wrong, you may comment down below. Your concern and comments is highly appreciated. Thanks for watching.